Hello SBD icons, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be teaching you how to make a native Yoruba cap with Asho okay. So let's go guys. Firstly, I'll measure 9 inches from the edge you see in this video. So I'll measure 9 inches and mark, then I'll take my ruler to slant it just the way you see me doing in this video. Then I will measure 14 inches from where I slanted. 14 inches. Just watch this video carefully, you will understand everything. So after 14 inches from the down edge, from the down part, I'll come to this upper part and measure 14 inches also. Then I give it a slant just the way I'm doing in this video. Please just watch carefully. Repeat same thing 3 times. You see 1 2 3. So after that, after marking it out in 3 places, then you cut. Do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Also, turn on your notification bell so whenever I drop a new video, you will receive a notification. Now, let's stitch it up. When you're done stitching, then you top stitch just the way you see me doing in this video. You top stitch just like this. Please don't make mistake when you are stitching. You see this way that I place my ashoke, it is wrong, so you have to place it like this, just the way I placed it now. Can you see? Then you stitch it up. This is what you should have after joining the 3 pieces together. Then you join the edge together to form a circle. You join one edge to the other edge to form a circle just like this. After joining, this is what you should have: a circle just like this, like a round shape just like this. Then you slit it at one side of it. You slit it just the way you see me slanting it. The next thing to do now is to gum my stay on the ashoke, but I'll first measure my stay before cutting it out. I'll be using a collar stay, so I measure my cap measurement, which is 22. Then I measure the height, which is 3.5 for the stay. Then I place my stay on my ashoke. I gum it with my iron, then I take it to my machine. I run a straight stitches on it. You run a straight stitch all over the stay area. You see, just watch this video, you seem to understand. You see, I've run the stitches on every part of the stay. Can you see? There's no reason for doing this, just to give it a nice design. Then after that, I'll need to top stitch it just the way I'm doing in this video. Watch carefully. Can you see how I fold my cap? So I will stitch it up like this. After the stitching, I'll go ahead and cut my lining. So after cutting the lining, I'll take it back to my sewing machine to sew the lining to the cap, to join the lining to the ashoke together. So just watch carefully, you will understand. When you are joining, you don't join to the exact place your stay started from. That's why you have to need enough allowance, like 1 inch from where you gum your stay to where your ashoke started from. So just watch carefully. The way I'm doing it this video, that's the way you're supposed to do. You leave about ½ inch to your stay, to where your stay started from. Can you see? So the reason why you need this is for you to be able to top stitch and for the ashoke to go in a little bit. So when you're doing this, you make sure your stitches, the one you stitch inside, the one you join, face the lining part when you are top stitching. So you top stitch it just the way you see me doing in this video. Straight line, so it's straight. After the stitching, this is what you should have. This is what it should look like. Can you see it from inside? You see the allowance, you see how it is. So you will have enough ashoke inside, so your lining won't be bulging out from the inside. From inside, it won't be budging out. That's why you need to top stitch. Then after that, you show your cap the exact measurement, the cap measurement you need, that you measure for the stay. You make sure you sew the ashoke perfectly, because it must be aligned, it must be equal. So stitch it up just like this. Then after stitching, you open it, you take it to your pressing iron, you press it with your iron, you press it from inside, you iron it from inside and outside to give it a fine and neat effect, neat look. When you are done ironing, you take it to your sewing machine to stitch it up, the upper part up just like that. Then after that, you take a pieces from your ashoke, a leftover ashoke, you join it if it's not enough to make it big. Then after joining, you make sure you top stitch it. After top stitching, you chuck it around, placing your cap on it. You cut it out after chucking. After chucking it and cutting, you cut a lining also. Then you stitch the lining and the ashoke together. Then place the cap cover and the ashoke on each other. Then take it to your sewing machine and stitch it up just like this. Stitch it round like this. After stitching, this is what you should have. Then you weave it. You weave it with your weaving machine to give it a nice and neat look. Then this is what you should have after. You take it to your ironing table and iron it thoroughly. Iron it very well so it looks very nice. Don't burn the ashoke, the cap, just iron. Make it look nice and fine. That's all for the cap tutorial. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Don't forget to like, comment and share. If you have any question, I'm right here to answer. Thank you.